to this study, Psychoanalytic Theory by Sigmund Freud. The novel explores the themes of human experiences, hallucinations. The protagonist is experiencing mental disorders, which is why we have chosen this story because it deals with the psychoanalytic things.
Hello, this is Nikriti and I'll be explaining the themes of the novel. The major themes are the complexity of relationships, uncertainty of life which leads to existential crisis. For example, in this novel, the characters are trapped in the vicious cycle of psychological traumas and tragic fate.
There are two characters in this novel, that are Sarjan and that of Sukhi. So the Sarjan is, witnessed as the main character, and he's seen that he's dealing with a psychological trauma or psychological disorder, that is of schizophrenia and paranoia.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Syed Haider Ali, and as today our expo was about Regal Chowk, a novel written by Kaleem Butt. This novel is about the practical life of the people, how they survive in this era, and about the hardships.
I'm Fatah Mohammed, and I will conclude this novel. In my view, the novel highlights how mental health and societal neglects are deeply connected, and that's the novel ends.